In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Ram 2500. Located on the driver's side of your engine bay, let's get started. Remove this cover off of your battery if your truck has one, and the terminal all the way in the back is going to be your negative battery terminal. Use a 10mm socket or wrench and loosen up the mounting nut that clamps it down. You don't have to remove the mounting nut, just loosen it. That should allow you to pivot this terminal around and pull it off of the negative battery terminal. Tuck it aside so that it can't bounce back and make connection while you work. Just like that. Now on the front of the battery, you'll see a 10mm mounting nut with a similar looking clamp. This is for the positive terminal. Loosen this up as well. Once again, you don't have to remove it completely, just loosen it up. Same thing, wiggle this around and pop it off the battery terminal. Set this aside. Towards the engine side, you'll see a 10mm bolt all the way down here. This is the hold down bracket for the battery with an extension and a socket. Remove it. With that off, you should be able to remove not only the bolt, but also this plastic bracket, which is the hold down itself. Now remove this insulation, set that aside. You can have much better access to removing the battery now. Pull this up, be careful it's heavy, and hopefully yours has some handles. Push the battery forward a little bit, lift it up on that side, and then up all the way. Now take your new battery, slide it down in position, put the handles back down. Make sure it's seated and centered, especially so that you can get that hold down bracket back in place. Looks like that's the case for us. Now put the hold down bracket back in here. And the bolt. Thread it on and make it nice and snug. About 1/8 of a turn after it bottoms out and gets snug. If you can't move the battery around, it's tight enough. Put the insulation back on if yours is in good condition. Sometimes these get all torn up, in which case you can either replace it or you're better off leaving it off actually, as opposed to it being all torn up here in the engine bay. And now we can reconnect the positive terminal. If you have a lot of corrosion on here, definitely clean it up with some battery terminal cleaner before you install this. Ours is clean. Take that 10mm socket or wrench, whatever you used earlier, and tighten the terminal up. Make sure it's bottomed out all the way. You want to see the battery post protrude a little bit through. And the way you know that this is properly tightened is not necessarily when the bolt stops spinning, or the mounting nut that is. Make it snug, and if you can grab this and you can't twist it around, that's plenty tight. If you over tighten this, it'll stretch the terminal. Make sure the negative battery terminal is free of corrosion. Put it down on the battery post, bottom it out all the way. It might make a couple sparks when you first connect it. Don't be scared of it, just put it on there and leave it on. It's not good for it to bounce on and off. Take that 10mm wrench or socket, snug this up. You just want to snug it a little bit so that when you go to spin this, if you cannot spin it, that's plenty tight. Don't keep going until this cannot move anymore. That would be over tightened. Drop this back down if your truck had it. There you have it, battery's replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.